5 seconds to go. Start. If in any case instituted under this section, the court of session by which the case is heard discharges or acquits all or any of the accused, and is of opinion that the accusation against them or any of them was false and either frivolous or vexatious, the court of session may, by its order of discharge or acquittal, direct the person against whom the offence was alleged to have been committed other than the president, vice president or the governor or Raj Pramukh of a state to show cause why he should not pay compensation to such accused or to each or any of such accused, when there are more than one. Stop. Para. The court of session shall record and consider any cause which may be shown by the person so directed, and if it is satisfied that the accusation was false and either frivolous or vexatious, it may, for reasons to be recorded, direct that compensation to such amount, not exceeding 1000 rupees, as it may determine, be paid by such person to the accused or to each or any of them. Stop. Para. All compensation awarded under subsection 7 may be recovered as if it were a fine. Stop. Para. No person who has been directed to pay compensation under subsection 7 shall, by reason of such order, be exempted from any civil or criminal liability in respect of the complaint made under this section, para, provided that any amount paid to an accused person under this section shall be taken into account in rewarding compensation to such person in any subsequent civil suit relating to the same matter, para. The person who has been ordered under subsection 7 to pay compensation may appeal from the order, insofar as the order relates to the payment of the compensation, as if he had been convicted in a trial held by the court of session. Stop. Para. When an order for payment of compensation to an accused person is made in a case which is subject to appeal under subsection 10, the compensation shall not be paid to him before the period allowed for the presentation of the appeal has elapsed, or, if an appeal is presented, before the appeal has been decided. Stop. Para. For the purposes of this section, the expression court of session includes the high courts at Calcutta and Madras in the exercise of their original criminal jurisdiction. Stop. Para. The provisions of this section shall be in addition to, and not in derogation of, those of section 198. Stop. Para. The enactment of the Amendment Act 26th of 1955, by which section 198B was inserted, coincided with the constitution of the Law Commission in August-September 1955. Stop. The Law Commission submitted its 14th report on reform of judicial administration in September 1958. Stop. The report was confined only to indicating in broad outline, the changes that were required to make judicial administration speedy and less expensive as seen from the letter of the chairman. Stop.